ऑडियो इज क्लियर बॉस. रणवीर, सुशांत, हाँ मैं दिख रहा हूँ. ठीक है, that's all that matters. So basically, welcome to Chrome Talkies, welcome to the Chrome office, welcome to our humble poor office, welcome to Doordarshan.
Thank you so
welcome. It's been a long day, but this will be fun. We will keep it Hindi and English, right? Let's share some numbers. Basis caught कि जो digital universe है, how that is exploding. जो total subscribers हैं, people who watch content on the digital platform have exploded from 392 million 628 million, which is a huge number. And digital is constantly exploding.
Of course, yeah.
So everyone is watching TV. आगे जाके देखेंगे, a lot of content is not only on TVs. People are watching your content on the mobile. Vertical looks, right? The maximum users, the mothership. आमिर ने अभी आमिर भाई ने जो लॉन्च किया है अपना सितारे जमीन पर, he's done it on YouTube very strategically. Biggest base, 57 crore people in India are on YouTube. The next biggest is obviously Sabka Malik Ek, Jio Cinema, right? They're at about 308. MX Player before merging with Prime was at 83 million, which is a healthy number. Merger के बाद करीबन 130 मिलियन हो चुका है, which is 13 करोड़. तो आपका I think MX Player पे आप लोगों का content, right? So that adds up to almost 13 crores. Z5 and Sony Live. So the good thing is you are on a good platform. You are on the top 3-4 platforms of India, right? So there is a even bigger opportunity for Bahubali Part 2, Vindhya ke Bahubali Part 2, right? Because you have a marketing thing going on. That's detailed. But if you look at the revenue numbers only for academic interest, total, if you look at column number 5 and 6, MX Player or MX Prime Video, Amazon together are 1200 crore or 4100 crore. This adds up to almost 5300 crore rupee revenues is broadly what they make, which are declared incomes. So you can imagine the volume, Raj.
Which would make it almost number 3. Which would make it almost number 3 in this.
Yeah, you're doing well. Yeah. So it's a big platform. I'll come down to more data and we'll keep this interactive. Right, on how the show was. You guys had fun shooting Vindhya ke Bahubali.
Yeah, it was nice.
Definitely.
Great content. Lovely. I will tell you, I'll come to the second point, which is important. Before I forget it, like you just did, let me note that down. That's why I got the marker. You can also use
Did
it.
you just write?
Yeah, but you're not supposed to say that. I'm going to come to that point. Yeah. It's a lot of research that goes into content, which is very important. But before that, let's look at some interesting numbers from Vindhya, which I've just seen today. So, good opening numbers, Raj. 3 weeks performance ले लेते हैं.
Yeah.
So first 1 week बस trial था. इसमें थोड़ा सा marketing का शायद gap रह गया. जैसे Scam 92, all these shows, opening week is explosive because they're constantly marketed. In your case, week 2 was explosive. You started at 0.75 million reach, which 7.5 लोगों ने देखा. 7.5 लाख लोगों ने देखा, which went to 5.51 million.
Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. I was totally confused. So you are saying these 4.79 million numbers are now this week?
Week 4, 23rd to 29th of August.
0.75 million.
Opening was.
भाई साहब ये revelation है मेरे लिए भी.
It is so that's why I said your marketing there was a little bit of a gap. As a research guy, I would recommend that the quality of content could have been promoted more.
हमारा marketing जो हुआ है सिर्फ और सिर्फ social media पर हुआ and mostly on Insta, I think. तो वो gap तो रहा है which we are trying to fill.
And within the platform.
जो word of mouth हमें जो feedback मिला है, people are loving it. So
you got a lot of reels and short content that is running on social media. I am personally a fan of Vindhya. That's why we are here together. One of my favorite scenes was when the old man is sitting and relaxing on a Sunday. Police वाले गलत घर में घुस जाते हैं 14A, 14B. It is bizarre when the guy is completely relaxed, no parva of the world, and eventually says, "Beta gun नीचे करो," and cut to Murgaban. It's hilarious. So that kind of content did well, and that made obscene amounts of reels, by the way. So that was one of the most reeled piece in your entire thing, which went throughout. ऐसे काफी सारे हैं. Even मिर्जापुर के केस में भी काफी कुछ, you see a lot of reels. So Mirzapur gets traction because of the reels on digital. In your case, now if you manage to do those reels in advance for season 1, your season 2 might get a boost with that kind of content.
That's a very good suggestion. We should work already good.
Yeah. So
3-4 section है. एक मैं बता रहा हूँ तीसरा highest कौन सा है. Since I love the show as much. The third is आपका जो club है. दावन क्लब, राइट? वहां से पहुंच जाते हैं 200 रुपए में 10 मिनट की टॉक.
Yeah.
Bizarre.
Yeah.
I love that scroll works so well. It is so graphically beautiful. And the hilarious thing is when he's telling that Russian girl or whoever the lady is, ये कब तक ये काम करते रहोगे छोटा मोटा? Let's make a टकाटक film. तो बोलते कब स्टार्ट करना है? जब पैसा डालो. You know? So those are the kind of sections that you probably want to pull off. And if there are no rights, blast the shit out of it. Coming next, coming soon.
No, first of all, yes, marketing has been whatever it has been, but I think season 2 there would be a little different strategy. We will have conversations with our producers and our distributors in terms of what more can be done when it comes to season 2, and we'll try to execute.
We must.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a chat with the platform and I'm sure they'll support you and your production as well.
Yeah.
The content, in all fairness, for the people who saw it, the numbers are relatively low initially, but people who saw it put it in the Mirzapur League. That is a statement. Mirzapur is amongst the top shows because you don't have a dearth of good talent. You've got good talent.
Yeah.
You had a good storyline, and the humor was fantastic. It was intelligent, good humor, and the entire piece in terms of the visuals and the audios that go when the Chacha gets kidnapped, the kind of fast-paced music running, it all complements that. Right? So I think it's very.
Music is by Indian Ocean.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
We should tag Indian Ocean in that. They've done a fantastic
Yeah.
job. So this is very interesting. This is a few $1 million worth of question. The team did a research during the show, since you are coming here, who were the top 4. तो शायद आप तीनों ना हो उसमें, तो don't stress, but they were the top 4 artists in Bindiya Ke Bahulu, which drove the show, right?
Okay.
So
Of course, it must be the
I don't know. I'll say. So number 4, any guesses? बताओ भाई.
number 4.
हाँ, 4, 3, 2, 1.
नंबर 4 पे I would guess अपना ये जो अरे अपना दिन बिहारी.
Okay, number 4, any guesses? Shall I reveal number 4? So number 4, you had Seema Biswas.
Okay.
In terms of audience.
That's beautiful.
अच्छा, एक चीज, let me caution you,
Yeah.
good or bad, what you and I think is different from what the आम जनता thinks.
Obviously.
For sure, definitely.
ठीक है, तो you might get a lot of surprises also. अरे यार, ये तो बिल्कुल ढक्कन, इसको ये number 1 पे कैसे आ गया, number 2 पे कैसे आ गया,
ठीक.
कुछ भी हो सकता है.
But that's amazing. Seema Biswas ji, and let me just say something very, very important. The Bandit Queen is a defining film in terms of me growing up wanting to become a filmmaker.
Right.
And it's a defining film.
Right.
For me, it was I cannot describe the feeling when I approached her and she said yes
For me also, it was
to
great
do
working.
this role. So it's a big thing. And I would say Seema ji not being sort of promoted while the marketing is happening of this thing is because
You hit
what you just said is that if she is the most
You hit the hammer on the nail.
Yeah.
The point is that you could have had a lot of Seema promoting the show as well,
Yeah.
which you should do.
yeah
Just an anecdote. मेरा जो पहला दिन था शूटिंग का, मैं पहली बार ही मिला उस दिन सीमा जी से, and that happened to be Puran Devi's birthday.
Oh,
Yeah.
so you celebrated together.
So it was like bizarre coincidence.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, number 2,
That
number
film is
4.
exciting.
So that's again.
three.
So
Number
3. Your wife?
Tanishta?
हाँ.
Oh, nice.
हाँ. So
See?
Tanishta का उसमें कुछ research भी था. I think she's gone through some medical challenge or something that's going on.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that has also had a audience, but the audience is aware of that, by the way.
Yeah.
Right. That's number 3.
Yeah.
Okay. Any guesses for number 2?
I would say one season 2 poster should be of all the amazing women artists on the show.
Yeah.
And it's just to see Tanisha there is
सवाल 10 करोड़ का. Anyone for number 2? Any guesses on number 2? One I think.
Say the
मैंने तो देख लिया है.
Sahi Samankar.
Oh, he's right here between us,
Okay.
ladies and gentlemen.
There is
Ranveer
no-
Sawhney.
और फोटो भी अच्छी लगाओ यार.
क्या बात कर रहे
When people like there you go.
There you go.
Shukla.
हो?
Right. So I think that's so. But this is again audience response. I loved your role. The way you hold the bloody gun. That is a good support. It's a good thing. I don't have a gun, but otherwise, कुछ रख के हाथ रख के चलना. It's a good. I think it's a character definition. Very well, very calm, composed.
But
focused.
that's actually police training. The police training is your hand always.
Yeah, but he's managed to get it very smooth.
He's
throughout.
managed to get it because he understood that character in terms of being a
And it was
cop.
noticed. So I think that's
very happy that
stand upright, straight, calm, with a smile, which that smirk you always.
But
got.
that
Still have-
smile of his is become quite the
thing.
quite the thing, because even my brother, I told you, my brother also said बहुत अच्छा काम किया उसने, you know, and वो जो smile करके वो जो बोलता है, it's really catching on.
हाँ वहाँ पे
So good.
तो
So
एक सेकंड रुको यार, इस स्माइल पर एक चीज हमारे दिमाग में आ गई है, तो हम बोल ही देते हैं। वो स्माइल का सबसे पहले नमूना मैं मॉनिटर पे देख रहा था, और जो शो की एक बहुत ही सेंट्रल थीम है कि हु किल्ड लाला। तो मैं ऑडियंस के लिए वो अभी छोड़ भी देता हूँ, क्यों जरूरी भी है, सीजन 2 भी है, पता नहीं और उसके बाद कहाँ जाएगी वो बात। हु किल्ड लाला? So the script, the way it was, that Saurabh, when he's taken by the cops, taken to jail, conversation happening between him and Murli Maji, and he's describing the story, and he's yahi hua tha na. And I'm looking at the monitor, it's over ODS shot of Saurabh with him sitting there, and he just smiled. That smile, in that moment, whatever script I have written, it has given me to take this story in 500 other different places.
wow.
Which was already after the script being written, because he left it. He said in a way by smiling yes, as well as whatever the you want to imagine, whatever you want to do it.
Correct,
And
correct.
that was not discussed. It
Correct.
was not like it was my suggestion to him that ye hona hai, all of that. It happened in that moment, and I had received that, okay, now there is another layer to think that I have already written, has been created, which I can play around with.
Wow.
So, but you know,
चलो,
A lot of things happen unplanned.
सीजन 3 में आपका तो पक्का हो गया।
देखो मेरी निकल पड़ी, मैं चलता हूँ।
आप लोग अपना देख
Chalo, total reach till now from the 2nd to the 29th of August, Vindhya has reached 1 crore log par kar chuke hain.
Wow.
You reached 10.2 million people have seen it. Right? In the next season, the numbers could be much higher. अपनी पॉपुलेशन जस्ट रिकैप करने के लिए वी हैव व्हाट 140 करोड़ लोग हैं, उनमें से करीबन 21 करोड़ घरों में टीवीज है, डिजिटल इज एक्सप्लोडिंग, और 1 करोड़ लोग विंध्या के बाहुबली देख चुके हैं.
So we are
हार्डली
basically
नंबर.
one.
This is up to 29. This is
This is
not
up to 29, तो नंबर बढ़ता जाएगा,
Yes.
बढ़ता जाएगा. इसमें एक अगेन इट इज कॉन्शियस, इट इज द काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट, बट इट हैज अ हेवी मेल स्क्यू. तो 72% मेल है, 28% फीमेल है,
वो तो पता ही है मेल होएगा।
मेल स्क्यू है. If you dissect this to week on week, from week 1, week 31, 32, 33, 34, this is the calendar week. Week 31 is 2nd to the 8th of August. How the numbers progress, you will always see there is always a male skew. तो एक particular week का एक वो नहीं है, there is no aberration for any particular week. The numbers have grown. The start is, again, this is a revelation for me. The opening week was surprisingly low. It should have been the other way around.
No, but okay.
Unless you launched on it, not on the second. When did you launch? What day was it?
Yeah, the launch was on 8th August also.
So the one day ka data.
So
look at
I
those.
think that's also that is also news.
That's okay. So if it was 8th of August,
Yeah.
then you've got only one data capture, one day data.
It's 1 day.
Which is fine. Which is fine. I think that's good. So age demographics very important. Advertisers, where all the money is, all the people want to throw money. They want to. अपना तो I think time निकल चुका है. 50 टच कर चुके हैं. So as far as the
टाइम तो भी शुरू होगा।
अब तो स्पॉन्सर्स हैं।
अब शुरू
Yes,
होगा
sponsors.
the sponsors. So the hottest TG is basically you're looking at 25 to 44 age group. So 18 to 25, 18 से पहले तो है ही consumption. So 5% 18 to 25 young youth. Majority you got 26 to 34 at 64%, and 25 to 54 at 25%. Huge number, right? So I think very ad-friendly content, Raj. Are you happy?
Is it?
Very ad-friendly content. सारा पैसे तो 25 to 44 पे the world is targeting. After 45, after 50 they start selling diapers, and before that they sell diapers. दो ही प्रोडक्ट बेचते हैं.
दोस्त ये समझ में नहीं आया. हाँ ठीक है.
No, so this is good. This is ad-friendly demographic.
Okay,
That's the
fine.
biggest target.
All right.
Congrats.
That's a good demographic to have.
Yeah.
Depending on shows. So
Good.
binge watch very nice. 2.7 million people. Binge watch.
Binge watch.
Binge is minimum 3 episodes back to back.
Okay.
2.7 million people during that time binge watch the content.
That's a good one, yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good number. Binge is very important. Binge really tells you that sticky content.
Ah.
You know? That's interesting, fun content. That's what it is. On the technical side, ये बड़ा interesting है. Total, I think the last slide. Smartphones पे जो देखा लोगों ने phone पे, that is 6.7 million. CTV is connected TV. So all the smart TVs you have today with the internet enabled, that is 2.62 million, right? And there's an overlap of 0.88. So that's a general trend with other content as well, right? That's a uniform.
This is the
trend.
trend for all content.
Most content, yeah. Unless you have a Ramayana, तो CTV में ज़्यादा जाएगा क्योंकि माँ बाप बेटे सब बैठ के सब देखेंगे. It's a family.
Okay.
So this is not that kind of a thing where you want to call your son and your dad together
True.
and get sandwiched.
Correct.
In this kind of content. So that's
I don't
broadly.
encourage people for that. I always tell them tune into Metro Park on Eros now.
Yeah.
You want to watch with family? I have some other show for that.
Don't promote any other show here right now. We are Bindiya के बाहुबली, Amazon MX Player Free.
और कुछ नहीं प्रमोट कर सकते.
हाँ, बिल्कुल नहीं.
अपने शो भी.
Yeah.
बाहुबली देखिए.
So in my view, good stuff. Well done, guys. Good fun.
Thank you. That was very, I have to say, very enlightening.
Yeah,
Very
very
informative.
informative.
That's the stuff we do. But lovely. When is your season 2 coming? What are the dates? Around Diwali, which is a month away. So
Yeah.
production all done. Everything is
everything.
set. Awesome. And you're traveling all, meeting more broadcasters and print and
We're trying to,
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah. No, but thank you, Pankaj. This is very informative. Like this is eye-opening in many ways.
It gives you a far real. I mean, some of it is starker also, but it tells you what your what your strong points are and where you need to work hard on.
Yeah. We want to share this with you. Have a glance at it and then we'll do it. Anything you want to wrap up? Besides the thank you, you're welcome. Anything else?
No.
Since he's been the most talkative, he didn't let anyone else talk only.
ऐसा हो गया?
नहीं मजाक कर रहा हूँ, I'm being leg pulling. You can speak. So
He will. Don't worry. He'll make up with one PJ. Go for it.
नहीं आज कुछ नहीं. मुझे भूख लगी है.
हाँ चलो कल से ready हो चुके हैं. बेचन को फोन कर दो ready हो चुके हैं. Tell बेचन.
छोले कुलचे.
Before that,
पीछे छोले मुझे छीन लेंगे.
चलो lovely. Anything you want to say?